mga katrops, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Sugod Bahay Serye ng With the Dalags. At ito yung papasukin natin, yung The Soho. Dito lang sa south side ng Lethbridge. Ito yung model mga katrops ng The Soho. Medyo maliit lang to pero okay ito sa nagsisimulang magpamilya. So tara, let's go. Stay tuned and rock and roll. Peace out. Oh, this is the house. Mga katrops. Got the living room. Today's the last day, eh?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Oh wow. The basement. Let's go to the basement. Yeah, I like it. Ito yung basement lang mga katrops. Oh wow. Hey there, the basement is big. Yeah, I like it. Big basement mga katrops. Yeah, what's this? No, storage room. Yeah. Oh, there's another room here. And the walk-in closet right there. So yan mga katrops, ito yung room sa ilalim mo. At may walk-in closet. May washroom right there. At malawak na basement. Ito, lakas ng tambayan ito ah. Come on, let's go. Upstairs. This is your office, kid? Yeah. Dad, get out there. What are you doing? Come here. Oh. See? No, washing machine over there. Oh wow, look at the shower. There's a bedroom here. Yeah, it's a big bedroom. Wow, look at this. There's a walk-in closet. Yeah?
Walk in the closet.
Yes. Kathleen, come here. Oh, the backyard is over there. The small backyard. Yeah, this is good for... You know, this one is good for starting family. For starting family. Right there. Yeah, I like this one. How about this one? Oh, this is the door, the backyard over there.
Back door.
Back door. Yeah. I like the ceiling. It's so high. See? Look at the ceiling. Let's go upstairs. Ooh. Hello. You know, this house is like a modern house, mga katrops. See? So high the ceiling from there to there. Oh wow, a look bed over here. See? I like it. I like this open concept of the bedroom over here. Well mga katrops, itong The Soho na bahay ay nagkahalaga ng 430,000 Canadian dollar mga katrops. At kung nagsisimula kayong pamilya, itong sinasuggest kong bilhin nyo kasi affordable na for starting. So yan. At hanggang dito lang siguro yung munting The Soho na bahay. At pupunta tayo time ko naman sa 1 million na bahay dito lang sa south side. So yan mga katrops, stay tuned in rock and roll.
If you like our video, please like and subscribe. Rock and roll!